Hello, my name is Blake Stoner, and I'm a senior economics major at Morehouse College. And I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to apply to the Mercer Innovation Fellowship. And I'm here to submit my idea, Vangle, which we call a community story sharing service. So the name Vangle itself is all about sharing people angles or perspectives on stories, their angle, and circulating them, kind of like veins in the body circulate blood. So it's Vangle, like circulation of perspectives. Also, what we call a system of connected local stories that conveys perspectives from various parts of a community. And community story sharing itself is just a platform to curate community engagement that creates greater awareness around local realities. So a little bit about Vangle's history. Came up with the idea last August, submitted it to Goody Nation's social incubator, got in, went through Goody Hack, Goody Marketing, and had our demo day in January. Since then, we had people join on to the team. We'll talk about that a little bit later. We've also had a little publicity so far. Last week, I was actually interviewed by CBS 46 during their young aspiring young entrepreneur like segment or whatnot. They were just talking about me being an entrepreneur activist, talking about Vangle's social side along with his business needs and whatnot. As far as our problem, it's threefold. So one is news. We believe news has become compromised. Major media news outlets has become polarized, and they cease to focus on local issues. Social media itself has empowered people to share stories, but these stories have no traditional journalistic vetting, so people are just able to upload whatever. And there's no immediate access to holistic local news that's going on around you. And through Vangle, we're solving all these problems. So as far as our solution, it's a web platform for hyperlocal community video coverage that is crowdsourced by citizen journalists. Our solution is genuine by allowing people to view local affairs from various perspectives. It's reliable, allowing for open representation through upvoting prioritization. It's convenient because we tailor to the user's experience based on their location. So people be able to see exactly what's going on around them. Geolocation. As far as our market size, our total addressable market from starting in Atlanta is 107,515 possible users. We've taken these numbers from our target ages from 18 to 34, and a separate one, which is 35 to 64. Add those together, and then multiply by the percent of people who read online news, which is 38%, and that's how we got our number. And that is just for Atlanta. That's not Macon, that's just Atlanta. And our total addressable market increases based on the number of cities we're in. So that is just Atlanta. So as far as competition, we have 3 tiers. One is social media, like Facebook, Reddit, or Twitter. We have online local news affiliates like ABC, CBS, and them. We have traditional, still local newspapers. So like the Atlanta Journal-Constitution would be a primary one. As far as our business model, we're still experimenting and validating with different models. However, the one we've decided to start with is a multi-sided business platform that's tracking a derived currency based off of user attention. So basically, users sign up and register their accounts and whatnot, and Vangle video journalists create stories, and they are circulated based on the user's interest. These stories are uploaded to YouTube, which we use for like the video infrastructure just to save costs and whatnot as a startup. And we monetize initially just through Google ad revenue, and from that we use that as a foundation, and then we're going to grow and add more revenue streams, especially as we continue to build out our own platform. This This is just to get us started. So our cost to launch, we're guessing about $5,000 for our MVP development costs. As far as hosting our hosting services, we're thinking about $500 a month over 6 months. So that's about $3,000 every 6 months. And as far as business overhead, we're thinking about $500 a month as well, which again, about $3,000 for 6 months. And so, as a total estimate, it's $11,000. As far as our management team, it is myself, Blake Stoner, I'm considered the visionary, and I'm also over business development and business strategy. Matthew Ramsey, who is the project manager, is also over logistics and business operations. And we also have Dwayne Osborne, who is our technologist, our platform developer, and he's over technical strategy. As far as our qualifications, myself, I'm an economics major, a business background. I'm also considered a community activist with years of experience in leading and mobilizing grassroots organizations. Matthew, he's a political science major with various leadership positions, also has some experience in activism, has extensive knowledge on policy, history, and logistics, which we need all that within Bengal. And Dwayne is a software architect and software engineer with 30 years of experience designing and delivering software solutions. Spends a lot of his time around mobile-based platform technology. So that is Bengal. That is our pitch. We look forward to hearing back from you, and we thank you for the opportunity to apply.